Oh my God. Hey, this is hard. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Can't wait, man. This thing is about to be something nice, man. First startup, first time we ever hear it. Good, y'all. I'm excited now. I don't even know if I'm gonna go to Miami though. And just like that, guys, we got this thing back together, looking 100%. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. You guys caught the video yesterday where we finally picked up our brand new 2023 F450 Big Daddy dually truck, man. I can't wait, man. You guys know this thing is now in the giveaway as well, man. So our first place will have the choice between our 2020 wide body Hellcat number 499 to 501, or you can actually choose the 2023 F450. So if you don't want the car, you can choose the truck. Both of them will come with the 2021 CVO regardless. So not only do we got a mean first place, man, you guys know we got second place, which is our 2019 Jeep Trackhawk. That thing should be done any day now. That Trackhawk will come with a 2018 Road King, man, so I can't wait for that. That thing is spiced up and all that. We just got to get it started, so I can't wait to see how that thing comes together. Meanwhile, third place, you guys know we got our 2021 Rogue Light that's about to have all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on that joint, man. I cannot wait, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular sticker, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You can actually be the new owner of this 2023 F450, man. You guys know what time it is. It's time to go yay to the yay. Meanwhile, man, now that we do got our truck, we don't really have to wait for no transporters or nothing like that, man. We can actually do this stuff on our own again. So with that being said, man, you guys know we actually sent off our Reese's Pieces bike to the mechanic recently, and it's pretty much ready. All I got to do is go grab a battery for it, and I'll be able to start it and load that thing up on here. So I gotta load this thing up with our ramp. Then I got some tie downs and stuff back there. I actually bought some new ones, but I left them in my dad's truck. I might have to buy one more set and then just, you know, go about it that way. But all in all, I can't wait, man. I'm excited. We got the truck back. Well, we got a new truck, man. So you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to go up, man. What you want to do? You want the dually truck or you want the Hellcat? Let me know in the comments below. Meanwhile, man, let's load up this thing and get this show on the road, gang. It's a movie. But first, had to get my hair cut, man. I was looking a little rough. Cinco de Mayo is coming up, man. You know I gotta be fresh, or at least feel fresh rather, man. So y'all know what time it is. Meanwhile, man, my guy Juan just hit me up. We are actually about to go check out the Trackhawk first because he said it's just about done. So I want to see it and I want you guys to check it out, man. You guys know that second place is going to be a beast. So I want you guys to get a sneak peek at what you're going to get. Plus I want a sneak peek at what we got. So let's head up to Audio Boss and see what's good, man. Meanwhile, you guys know we got the Big Daddy right here. Let's see what we got. First automatic start on that thing, man. Y'all see what's going on. Ooh, I cannot wait. Alrighty, guys, man, we finally pulled up to my guy Audio Boss's spot. But before we check out the Trackhawk, ooh, to the wee. Ooh, wee. The 50 entry sale is still live right now. The 50 entry sale is still live right now. You got a few more hours, man, before the 24-hour sale runs out. And the $35 stickers, you only get one entry, man. So right now, like I said, you only got a few hours left before the 50 entries for 35 is gone, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Y'all know how we coming, man. Let's go up in here to Audio Boss and see what's going on and see how we looking, man. So I'ma actually put the camera on me and I'ma check it out first before you guys get to see it. Like I said, we just pulled up to Audio Boss. I got my guy Juan in the cut. Come on, gang. What's up with you, man? How you doing?
Good.
Man, y'all always working on something up here, man. That's crazy. They be really going in. Man, I know he still ain't here.
Still there?
Man, he playing. It's not on you. I understand that. It's not on you at this point. Ooh, so you mean to tell me I have to pull to the back to see it? And I didn't pull to the back. That's so crazy. Oh, my God. Oh, fuck. Hey, this is hard. Oh my God, oh my goodness. Hey, y'all don't even understand. Bro, Juan, you did a hell of a job, bro.
I mean, this shit was hard as fuck.
It was hard? Oh my goodness.
You had to clean that shit ton a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah, because for some reason, I mean, at the bottom had a lot of little things on it.
Right.
So we had to clay bar it a few times.
Dang.
Smooth.
That's
But
crazy.
came out good, so I was telling you.
Bro, this thing is so freaking sick. Oh, I don't even want to give it away no more. I swear to you, I'm so excited right now. I can't even stop smiling. I've never seen my logo on anything besides like a fucking sticker. So this is like, this
logo took For the guy to create it into a vector, it took about 5-6 days just to get into a vector.
So y'all see it wasn't wine, man. I know y'all was like, hey man, where the Trackhawk at, man? What's going on? Hey man, but y'all see it here first, man. The one with the oohs and ahs. Oh my God, everything regular. With the thing on the thing, you guys know.
So with the sun, you can see the metallic on the right.
Yeah, I was just peeping it right now. I'm like, it looked like it's like some sparkles up in that thing. It looked like it's some sparkles, man. I am excited. It actually looked pretty good with the wheels. It don't look that bad. It looked pretty good. I ain't gonna hold you. That looked really good. Wow, man. Wow, that is crazy. I am excited, bro. Oh, yeah. I'm excited. I posted a picture today on Instagram. I think this one gonna kill that one. I think this is the one. This is the one right here. Y'all see what's going on with the oohs and ahs. Come on, man. Y'all know this is our second place Trackhawk. We ain't gotta open it. It's all good. They didn't seen it before. This is our second place. This is our second place prize right here. 2019 Jeep Trackhawk. This will be paired together with a 2018 Road King, man. So you guys seen we got the Hellcat at the house. We got the F450 up front. First place. You know I got a new first place now. You see my new truck?
That blue one.
Yeah. So now I'm giving them the option for first place. You can either choose my Daytona Hellcat, the baby blue one you did, or the truck and the bike. So
I think I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of hats so I can get that.
Yeah, right now we gotta get it together, huh?
Get this one.
You want this one? You want first place, she want second place, huh?
Yeah.
Look, it's a movie.
Little dog, she kept trying to get in.
Oh, she liked this truck, huh?
She's like, I can see myself in this.
Hey, yeah, see, come on, man. The Trackhawk, the dog, they mating already. It's a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on. 4G's on the thing. I know y'all forgot all about the 4G autos, man. I actually had another set of rims on order, but however, these is actually looking pretty cool. I can actually just put that money towards the next set, but I ain't gonna hold you, man. This thing is looking amazing. Juan, you did a hell of a job, bro.
Yeah, this one we stay with more white just to go with the wheels more. Cause if you do too much gloss black, the wheels will have to be changed.
Right. Yeah, it looks good, man.
Flow with the white.
Man, it looks good. That thing is so cold.
When it starts hitting and you see the spark.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, he did that. I like that. This thing looks so hard.
The same colors as your hats.
Yeah, see, that's what I was gonna say. They didn't even notice, man. If y'all didn't notice, you guys had to buy this hat to really notice. This was a hat that we was selling recently. You know, I done sold out all the hats. I don't even got me one of these hats.
So basically, whoever the winner is, gotta wear the hat.
They gotta have a hat, man. They gotta have a hat. Hey, man, y'all see what it is, man. We out here going, yay. I cannot believe it right now. This thing is a freaking beast. From the Middle East, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. It's up. Alrighty, guys, let's go up in here in AutoZone and get a battery for our Road Glide. That way we can start that thing when we freaking get it, man. Hold on, let's go. Oh, he got that joint up in here today, huh?
Man, yeah.
That thing take up so much freaking space.
See how big it is.
That thing is huge. I mean, when you see it on the street, it don't look so big, but when you see it up in here, you be like, oh yeah, it's huge.
Yeah, it takes up some.
Yes, sir. That thing, can't wait, man. This thing is about to be something nice, man. Oh yeah, she looking good now, y'all. She looking good now.
You want to go ahead and throw the battery in it?
Yeah, I'll toss the battery in there real quick. Let's put this battery in here and we're gonna fire this thing up and hear it. Alrighty, man, we got that fresh thing up in there. Fresh Big Daddy-o. Y'all see what's going on. Air breatherless gang. If you got an air breather, man, you don't want no smoke. Want no smoke, baby boy. Come on, gang. First startup. First time we ever hear it. Now. Okay. Sounding good, y'all. She's sounding good, y'all. Oh yeah, it's a movie. It's a movie now. Y'all see what it is. Oh my God. Oh yeah, when I pull up now, they ain't gonna want no smoke. Kelly. I'm excited. Y'all see it. It sounds good. y'all didn't know, oh, I'm excited now. I don't even know if I'm gonna go to Miami no more. I might go to Dallas for Rare Breed and show what they working with, man. Oh, it's about to be a movie. I'm excited. This thing is a beast. Literally, as soon as I hit it, oh, it was there. I'm excited. That's what I wanted to see right there, man. I'm excited, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all stay tuned. We about to get this thing loaded up, because if I don't, I'm gonna be in some trouble. Bet. Big Daddy, this motherfucker right here is so spicy. Alrighty guys, we got this thing loaded up, ready to go. Man, I am not gonna hold you. This thing feels like a beast, sounds like a beast, runs like a freaking beast. Oh my Lord. Let's see what this thing is looking like in the nighttime. Y'all know I haven't seen it at night just yet. Got the Big Daddy eyelids on there. Okay, Big Daddy eyelids, man. Let's slide to the house and get this thing moving and grooving, man. It's a movie. Alrighty guys, next morning here, we got the bike off the truck. We got the Big Daddy in here. Whew, I ain't gonna even hold you. So all I gotta do is put a windshield on and this little top piece right here, and we should be good to go there. Meanwhile, all we gotta do is put our storage door support bracket on there, and we can put our storage door on there and get the rest of this stuff cracking. Meanwhile, we can throw our bags on. We just gotta put our little bolt right here for the seat, and this thing is complete. Oh yeah, we gotta get the speakers in there. I don't even know if I got speakers or not, but we gotta find some, man. Let's see what's up. Alrighty guys, we have got the front end pretty much finished up. We got our storage door on there. All we need now is our speakers. We got speaker wires. We got our bags on there, seat on there. Everything is looking good, looking real fabulous. Man, this thing is crazy. This thing looks like a freaking beast. I ain't gonna even hold you. I'm ready to go ride this joint, but gotta toss my front fender on here and get this thing situated. Just gotta go get a couple screws this morning, but all in all, it is a movie, man. I can't wait. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. And just like that, guys, we got this thing back together, looking 100%. Now, the only thing we got to do left is put the speakers in and the speaker covers, and we should be good to go. Meanwhile, this thing is looking like a beast. Oh yeah, and we got to get an oil cooler so we can be able to put our oil cooler cover on there, and that thing can tie it all in together. But y'all see it here. Big Daddy for the Big Daddy, man. I don't even know what year this is anymore. 2023. That's what we're gonna call it. 2023. Everything regular. Reese's Pieces 2.0. Big Daddy for the Big Daddy. It finally came complete, man. I'm excited. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Stay tuned for the next video where we take a first ride on this thing, man. I can't wait. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. We finally got a chance to check out the Trackhawk, man. That thing is looking like a beast. At least I think so, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I know some of you guys are like, man, I don't know if I want a Trackhawk with somebody else's logo on it, man. Hey, at the end of the day, you're getting it from your boy, Everything Regular. If you really don't like it that much, hey, take the wrap off. It's only 35 bucks, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now and go get an entry for that thing, because you guys know we only got a few hours left before the 50 entry for $35 sale is gone, man. We had it up 24 hours, so it's only a few hours left. Meanwhile, man, you guys did see we did get a chance to pick up our new 2023 F450. So with that being said, first place for the Yay giveaway, man, you guys now have the option option to choose between our 2020 wide body Daytona Hellcat and a 2021 CVO Road Glide, or our 2023 F450 and the CVO Road Glide both together. So you can either choose the Hellcat and the bike or the truck and the bike for first place, man. But you got to get in for a chance to win, man. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get you an everything sticker while you can. Because not only do we got a hell of a first place, man, we got second place, which is our 2019 Jeep Trackhawk that you guys seen today. That'll be paired together with our 2018 Road King. And then you guys know we actually just added a third place, which is our 2021 Road Glide Limited that we about to do the whole ooh and ah special on, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go support your boy, man, because you never know. It could be you next. You could be coming out here to Houston, or we could be pulling up to Yodo with one of these bikes or something, man. You know what time it is if you guys haven't already, man. Prepare today for success tomorrow. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.